Welcome to the demo video of ClipLAB. ClipLAB is a VST Effect plugin that works in any DAW that supports either VST3 or audio unit. You can add ClipLAB to any incoming audio signal, audio track, or virtual instrument track. It can distort signals into a variety of tones due to its specific digital signal processing flow and asymmetrical clip distortion algorithm. Let's listen to some examples on the same sound source. To start, we'll add ClipLAB to this Kick 3 factory preset. Let's start by playing the kick drum without ClipLAB. And now let's enable the ClipLAB plugin. Different characters, all from the same kick drum. Playing around with different keys can result in surprising characters. The main feature of ClipLAB is the asymmetrical distortion with tone control. Listen to what it can do to a kick drum. Let's open the mix, add some drive, and then change the symmetry to hear the crunchy character come in. So let's get a closer look at the plugin. There's EQ, distortion, and post-processing. The EQ section includes a low cut with slope control plus 4 bell-type EQs. They are applied to the signal before going into the distortion. Experiment a bit with ducking and boosting frequencies to give the sound a nice distortion character. The distortion engine has a drive control, tone filter, clip filter, symmetry control, and an intensity control. The drive and intensity boost the signal, and the symmetry uses a wave shaper on either the top part or the bottom part of the waveform. The tone filter is used to give character by filtering out frequencies below the tone filter value. The clip filter can be used to remove excessive high frequencies. After the distortion, there are various post-processing controls that can be used. It features a high shelf EQ and low pass filter, chaos mode, and subshaper. The input and output controls already can give you a nice saturated effect. Let's have a listen. By default, the plugin hard clips the output at 0 decibels. You can also turn the output clipping off. This can be useful if you want to stack multiple ClipLAB instances or add additional plugins on your channel. Let's have a listen to what the EQ before the distortion can do. It can clearly define the punch and the tail of the kick. Let's shape the kick punch a bit more by boosting with a small bandwidth. Now let's widen the bandwidth to create more character on the full kick drum. You can manually set the frequency or use the key snap mode for easy tuning. Playing with the low cut can also have a big impact on the character of the distortion. Now let's see how the post-distortion controls can impact the sound. First, the filters. Now the chaos mode. This is an experimental effect using comb filtering and delay to create a flanger effect. With all the filtering and distortion going on, you might want to fine-tune the sub-frequencies. Of course, you can equalize that with another plugin loaded after ClipLAB. To make things easier, a sub-control feature has been added. You can boost or cut the sub-frequencies and adjust the shaper to optimize the low end. Since it works before the hard clipper, you can also use it to add more character. The plugin isn't just handy for kick drums. You can also use it as a hard clipper to tame loud peaks in volume. For example, on a snare drum. This can make your track sound louder when mixed and mastered. Let's listen to the snare, first without ClipLAB and then with it. As you can hear, they sound almost the same in loudness and tone. But with ClipLAB, the snare's peak volume is lowered by 3 decibels, giving you more room for the rest of your mix. Stay tuned to our channel and socials for more examples of using the plugin.